So we're talking about getting on the expressway. So this is a Chevron alignment sign to the left. It is raining, so I want to take my time. I'm not really aggressive on the gas or steering, and I'm really smooth. A lot of beginning drivers go too fast on the Chevron curve, and then you're going to lose control. Next, I want to get over to the left lane, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I get over in this lane. I'm going to be going down a part of a trumpet that turns into a really sharp curve. So I want to take my time, and I want to be patient, and I want to really be aware of what's going on. I can't go fast or I will roll the car over. So it's raining. I want to go slow and smooth. I want to take my time. I have both hands on the wheel, so I'm safe. So I'm slowing down, and I'm about 30 miles an hour. And on your road test, if you go over the white line to the right, I'm going to show you this, that's a minus. If you go over the yellow line to the left, which I'm not going to go over because I'm not trying to roll the car, that's another minus. So these Chevron alignment signs tell you it's a really sharp curve. Now, a lot of beginning drivers panic here. And I'm going to show you what the most dreaded thing is, going too slow. I'm at 25 miles an hour. We don't have enough speed to get up. I do have a little room, so now I'm going to push the gas. I'm in the acceleration lane. I build up speed. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot, and I'm out. I'm almost up to 55. But that was kind of a struggle, so you want to merge out smoothly. I'm up to 70 miles an hour. That's the speed limit here in this area. And I'm smooth. A lot of beginning drivers will, and I'm going to look at the speedometer. I'm going to show you what the car is going to do. The car is starting to drift a little bit. So I want to maintain speed and be smooth. I'm going to make a lane change to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I gently turn the wheel, and it is raining, and I do feel a little bit of anxiety, so that's okay. So I'm going to reduce my speed. You'll see cars and trucks flying, but the one thing I want you to remember, stay smooth, barely turn the wheel, take your time. So I'm nice and smooth. Cars are leaving me, and I think a lot of beginning drivers have a tendency, they want to catch up to cars. It's okay to drive your legal speed. And in fact, people are driving 10 over the limit, 15 over. So I'm just going to cruise, be patient, enjoy my drive. Now I'm going to show you something. I'm going to get over to the left lane, and we're going to be in the spray of this vehicle. And it's going to be really hard to see. So you as a driver, if you get behind the vehicle, you're going to catch that spray. And it's very hard to see. So I'm maintaining my speed. I am going to get to a double cloverleaf. I wanted to show you that so you understand what to do. So my speed's okay. I'm still getting the spray of this vehicle. Now I'm going to get back over one lane to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. A lot of beginning drivers jerk the wheel. And that's kind of scary because we could actually spin off the expressway. So I'm maintaining my speed again. I'm smooth. A lot of you have asked, how do I keep my car straight in the lane? You need to look ahead as far as you can and aim high. And if you aim high, that'll help you. But when you first get out here, you're going to try to put yourself, and we have a left-hand driver, steering wheel's on the left side, you're going to actually see me hugging the right. A lot of beginning drivers hug the right. So you'll be marked down for that because you don't have proper lane positioning. So you want to get your car centered. You want to look ahead. Now I have a weave lane to get into. So I'm going to turn on my right turn signal, mirror turn signal, blind spot. I'm getting over. And these are some of the most dangerous weave lanes. And I wanted to show you this. We're going to run to danger. We're not going to run away. So I'm dropping my speed because it's wet. I don't want to drop too much speed, but I'm dropping it enough so I feel like I can control the car. Sometimes you can get over really easily. Sometimes you can't. It just depends on the flow of the traffic. So I look and check traffic. I'm clear. I'm getting onto my brakes. I'm smooth and easy. I'm taking my time. I'm knocking some speed down, but it still is dangerous. You're going to see one of those Chevron alignment signs that are knocked down. There's one actually knocked down because someone went too fast. That is on the ground. So I'm at about 20. I'm smooth. And in the wintertime and in the rain, this is really slick. really dangerous. So I'm coming around the cloverleaf very easily. And again, if you go out to the left, and I'm going to show you this is what beginning drivers do. You'll get deductions on points. So I'm going to get back on. I'm going to do a double weave lane, and I'm going to get back on, get my speed back up. But if I hit the gas too fast, I'm literally going to go off the road, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm on my brakes, and I'm turning really smooth, really easily. I'm looking up and around the curve. A lot of beginning drivers just look straight over to the left. You'll go off the road. Tip, you got to look up to your left to see if cars and trucks are coming, because I don't want to cut off a car or truck, and I don't want to get hit by a car or truck. So I look, I check, I turn on my left blinker, and I accelerate. I look over my left shoulder, I accelerate. I'm into the first lane, I'm good, almost done. So speed is good, I'm back up. I'm gonna make a lane change to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Before I do that, I'm gonna show you about this silver car. They're going much faster than me. You gotta be aware, because it's really easy to fall asleep mentally and emotionally. So I'm just cruising, and a lot of times beginning drivers will drift. I'm gonna drift to the right. I'm gonna show you what happens. That's what drivers do. They drift. Literally, I'm out of my lane. Or they drift to the left, because you're not looking ahead. So I'm gonna get on this really tricky turn, and some road testers may take you here. We get over one lane to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. And the road actually bends 2 lanes to the left, 2 lanes to the right. It is extremely confusing. Why am I taking you here? So you need to know. So our speed control is good, our lane positioning is good, we're doing fine. So I'm just maintaining, about 55, being smooth, being easy. And I have my right turn signal on because I want to get into this right lane. So I'm going to get here. Now I lift my foot. I'm gliding real easy. I'm not jerking the wheel back and forth, because you'll go into the ditch. So turn my left turn signal because I want to do extra. I'm all the way to the left inside, and it's a really sharp curve. This is a double left curve, so I'm in the inside. Stay in your proper lane. I'm smooth. I go around real easy. I'm taking my time, and there's a red light because I'm looking ahead. So I cancel my blinker. I'm not trying to kill a bird, but you can't swerve. Okay, I got a green. I look, I check, and then I'm continuing on my way. There's a white vehicle to my right. See? If I would not have been paying attention, I could have swerved in their lane. So this struggle is real. And I'm looking ahead, there's a red light. I'm always looking. So we're almost done with our drive here. I want to say thank you. If you haven't done so, I need you to subscribe to Driving with Myles, M-Y-L-E-S. And I think definitely you've learned some good things today. I'm getting into the left turn lane. This is a protected left turn. So what I'm going to do is go up, and I'm waiting, and I'm going to stop behind the stop line, right? You will get marked down if you go past the stop line. So, and I'm just sitting here watching cars, watching traffic, always being aware. I'm looking left and right. Your road tester needs to see you doing this. And I'm waiting and always being a defensive driver, checking my rear mirror, checking left, checking right, because people are tired and sleepy, and this car just ran a yellow light. So build good habits. Don't run. Okay, I'm looking. I have a green light. Protected left turn. I'm going to turn in the nearest lane right by the double yellow. There's my turn. Boom. I got it. Now I need to get over one lane to the right. Blinkers on. Mirror turn signal, blind spot. And then I'm going to get over. And I'm going to go in this KFC right here and just park. And again, I do appreciate you. I want your feedback. And then I'm going to go up and I'm going to park. And I'm going to turn hand over hand into my turn and cover my brake. and then I straighten up, foot always on the brake. I just want to say thank you for the support and love. I really appreciate you, and thank you for what you do.